Though hair loss is not a life-threatening condition, its consequences should not be underestimated. More than 50 million Americans, including as many as 21 million women, suffer from premature hair loss. In some cases, hair loss can damage self-esteem, raise anxiety, and in extreme cases, lead to depression.
There's a number of reasons that clients come in here, and it can be anything from I want to be more marketable and competitive in the workplace, things are changing, got all these young guys coming in. It could also very often be my wife, my fiance, my girlfriend really started noticing that my hair was thinning and I hadn't paid attention to it previously. And also sibling rivalry, believe it or not. Many men will come in and say, of all the men in my family, I'm the only one suffering from hair loss. And they really want to restore that.
While traditional hair transplant procedures called strip harvesting can be quite effective, they require surgeons to cut a significant portion of the scalp from the back of the head. This causes pain, scarring, and other side effects. However, NeoGraft does away with the cutting, eliminating the telltale scar and improving recovery times. The procedure is actually quite simple. Using the NeoGraft system, individual follicles from the back of the head are implanted where they are needed most. There is little discomfort as no stitches or staples are used. This allows patients to wear their hair short if they prefer, and NeoGraft is an outpatient procedure.
There's an advantage to having hair transplantation right now, and that's because of this emerging technology. NeoGraft hair transplantation, it's minimally invasive, it's simple, it's safe, and you can have the procedure performed with minimal to no downtime.
While NeoGraft is a sophisticated approach to treating hair loss, it's only as effective as the surgeon operating it. Dr. Walter Tom started his career as a vascular and transplant surgeon before moving into cosmetic surgery.
I had a successful career as a general vascular and organ transplant surgeon. I founded the kidney transplant program at Santa Rosa Memorial Hospital and have always been intrigued by new and emerging technology. And because of this, I then began to move into the world of cosmetic surgery, where there were great advances, such as NeoGraft hair restoration.
As a trusted surgeon in the North Bay for over 25 years, Dr. Tom has been a leader in introducing new technology to California. Intrigued by the NeoGraft approach, he became an early adopter, bringing the procedure to the North Bay. Even more importantly, he has had the procedure himself.
As a doctor, I felt it was really important for me to go through this experience of NeoGraft hair transplantation. I'm offering it to my patients, and what better way to be able to explain firsthand exactly what they will go through. It absolutely gives my patients more confidence that they're making the right decision because I've done it myself.
During his procedure, Dr. Tom was on his iPad watching a movie and says it was just an easy, simple process. He had the procedure done on a Friday and was back to work on Monday. Dr. Tom was impressed by the NeoGraft on a number of levels. First, the actual transplantation process was quite tolerable, much more comfortable than he'd actually expected. In addition, the recovery time was fast. Most importantly, the results have been excellent.
So here we are, 6 months out, and now you can tell that my hair is different. It's been 6 months since my NeoGraft hair transplant. I was shocked at how much better I felt about myself. I was almost giddy. I was almost giddy about having more hair. I love looking younger. It really is a confidence booster.
With more than 25 years' experience in the operating room, Dr. Tom is more than a gifted surgeon. He is also an educator, providing workshops to train fellow cosmetic surgeons and plastic surgeons on the latest techniques. In addition, he has built a top-notch hair transplant team that provides personal service and excellent results. Though some might view hair transplantation as minor surgery, Dr. Tom feels that all surgeries are serious and require the utmost care. This starts with the initial consultation and planning through the procedure and recovery. Dr. Tom believes every patient should completely understand their procedure long before they enter the surgical suite. As a result, Dr. Tom and his team personally evaluate each patient. Even more importantly, they are there to answer questions through the entire continuum of care. This personal, professional care is what sets Dr. Tom's practice apart from other hair loss services. In fact, NeoGraft is not even available at hair transplant chain stores.
It makes me feel great when somebody walks back into the office and you can see them smiling. They're standing up straighter. You can just tell that they feel great about having their hair restored. This is a one-time investment that you will reap the rewards every day for the rest of your life.
To learn more about NeoGraft hair transplantation, call Dr. Tom's office at 707-542-8346. That's 707-542-8346.